here's a tip for you to become a great sales. What is that? When you are selling, have fun, have a laugh, be excited, be enthusiasm. You know, I mean, people like to smile, people like to laugh. They just love it. You know, smile is contagious. And when you do your selling, be relaxed, be yourself. You know, say funny thing, but not too much. But make the relationship relaxable. So it's not like, you know, you have to buy. Nah, don't do that. I mean, just relax. You know, hey Mike, how are you? My name is blah blah blah, and then you know, it's just funny. You know that I know that you are one of my friends. I know that you like to play golf so much. You know, have something, find something in common and make them laugh, because it's important. People like to laugh and be positive. And as a sales, you're gonna focus on the positive. Don't say something negative. Don't keep saying, you know, I'm sorry, you know, I came here because it's late, blah blah blah. You know, people don't want to hear that. It's enough. They've had enough negativity. They've had enough negative stuff on them. They need something positive. They need something lovable. You know, something that makes them excited to see you. Not complaining, excuses, none of that, none of that. So if you want to sell, please make sure that you're gonna be someone valuable in front of their eyes. Someone that can laugh and bring happiness to them. I'm Coach Yudi Candra. Happy selling.